In this lesson, we will discuss question number 22nd, and this is the last question of exercise 1.2, linear inequalities in one variable. Question we have that prove that for any two real numbers a and b, right, a square plus b square is greater than equal to 2ab. So here they have mentioned for any two real numbers. So suppose instead of a we say it is 2, make the square of 2. For b we say okay this is 1, so make the square of 1. Make it very simple, and then greater than 2, a is 2 and b is 1. So see, there is no sign, it means there is a multiplication sign. If I put dot, it also means that multiplication. So 2 times 4 plus 1 is greater than equal to 2 times 4, 1 times 4. So it is 5 is greater than equal to 4. It is proved. Okay, one more time, same thing I will write down here. A square plus b square is greater than 2ab. You can use any real number. So see here, if I am using 3, for a make the square of 3, for b make it 4, is greater than equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4, because a is 3 and b is 4. It will be 3 times 9, 4 times 16 is greater than equal to 3 times 6, and 4 times 24. It will be 25, which is 25 is greater than c or equal to 24. So it is proved. One thing here I have to show you that this is 3 times. If someone asks you, the 3 square means you have 3 2 times, 3 times 9. It does not mean that 3 2 times 6. Do not write down 6. Same thing here. 4 square means you have 4 2 times. 4 into 4, which is 16. You can not write down 4 2 times 8. It will be wrong. It means you have 4 2 times, 3 2 times. So it is proved. If it is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.